Work-based learning is an opportunity for students to learn not only the world of work, but to expand the skill bases that they've learned in their trade.
The work-based learning program is available to juniors and seniors that are in good academic standing. It is a program that students are able to leave during their shop day and get paid for work within their field. So a connection with an employer is made, and those students are then able to go to work.
It provides an opportunity for employers to continue to backfill their workforce as their workforce starts to age out.
So the state of Connecticut has set statutes that allows them to miss a certain number of school hours during the shop cycle, and as long as they're caught up with all of their shop expectations, they can hit the maximum number of hours allowed, they can go out to work, they're earning a regular paycheck. These aren't internships, these are full-time positions that the students have, and they're actually able to sign themselves out of school, and instead of coming in a shop, they go right to work.
They're able to go out and work with a contractor and hone their skills. They're graded by their mentor or their supervisor on the job site. We have a close connection with them where they contact us, they have sheets that they bring back, grading them on their performance and the skills that they need to improve on, or the skills that they see that the student has and excels in.
The benefit to the employer is really that they're getting someone who's already started getting training. They already have a knowledge base within that content area, so they don't have to start from ground zero of training.
Here you are coming in with these credentials, making you a much more valuable individual and much more of an asset to them.
The other element, of course, is that more often than not, over 90% of students who start out on work-based learning stay within the trade.
Once they get out of high school, they have a nice resume that they can provide to potential employers. I must say that a lot of the students that are placed on work-based learning, they end up being full-time employees of those companies. So it's a really nice transition for them.
So I work at Soroyce Tool in Berlin. I have since I was a junior. I am currently in the precision grinding department. I am an apprentice. As I work, I get paid, and the more I work, the more I get paid. My apprenticeship is 6,000 hours, so once I get those 6,000 hours, I'll be a journeyman grinder, and every 1,000 hours or so I get a raise for learning what I've learned in those 1,000 hours.
My favorite part about work-based learning is, well, basically not having to come to school and getting paid for it, and also learning a trade skill outside of school, which is huge.
I'm a sophomore, but my junior and senior year, if I could do the work-based learning, it would give me an edge up on getting a job because I have that experience in the real-world industry. I'd say that's one of the best parts of going to a technical school.
An employer can get involved with work-based learning by us either reaching out to them or a student reaching out to them because they know they want that opportunity, or an employer can reach out to a specific school to get involved.